Hi everyone, today I thought I'd make a rubber band car. I've seen so many cars and I thought I'd make one for my son, and actually I made one off camera like this one here. It didn't work very well, I don't really like it anyway, so but you know, it didn't go, and I think all that's wrong with this one is that it needs something heavy on there, but I want to make a little bit bigger one, so I thought I'd try it. Now I'm using chopsticks, which I've got, and some of these sticks you can get. I've got my weight, and these are the wheels I'm going to be using. Already drilled a hole in them, so if you can see, drilled a hole in them already. So here we go, see if it actually works. Now, as I'm trying to do this, trying is the word, I thought I'd explain a little bit about just for fun. Just for fun, I created this channel to have fun stuff. I'm not really dedicated to one particular subject like electric motors, steam engines, electronics or something like that. I just do things like as a hobby and have fun with lots of things. I feel that in life you have to have variety in life, so that's what I do. I'm wondering, I'm just designing this as I go along. I haven't thought about it, how I'm going to do this, but I think I might make it a little bit stronger and do it this way a bit. So just for fun is created to have fun, that's what it is, and that's why you see me playing about with puzzles, magic, card magic, and all kinds of things. And I like these card magic. I like steam engines. I like jigsaws. I like colouring, well, not colouring, painting, stuff like that. So that's what I do. I'm making this just as I go along, making it up as I go along. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, how it's going to work. So this is it, guys. It's not the neatest of the cars that I've seen, but hey, let's see if it works. So obviously you need some weights on it, etc. Okay, here we go. Don't know how far it will go. Test number 1. Well, at least it works. Doesn't go very far, but it works. It does. It probably goes about a foot, about 3 feet. Good, focus on here. That's it. That's as far as it's gonna go. Well, guys, I've done a little bit more work on this thing because I didn't like that it didn't go far. So I put this here, and I redone the wheels so they are a bit more better, as you can see. And here we go again. Let's have a go. See how far this goes. Well, that's not bad. That's not bad. I like that. So guys, subscribe, thumbs up, or write a comment. Maybe you want to tell me how to do this properly. Thank you very much for watching.